Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to pin to screen element for whole website for all pages in Wix website. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to pin any element to screen. So you can pin any element like button on left side. You see add element. So click on it. So we are going to pin to screen for whole website. Now you see button. So you can select button according to requirement. Now you see. So drag and drop here. Now you see button added. So we are going to pin to screen. Right click on it. And then you see multiple option. Now you see pin to screen. So click on it. Now you see set position. If you want, you can unpin this element. So we set this position. Now you see. So you can set horizontal offset, vertical offset according to requirement. Now close. So you can pin any element for whole website. Right click on it. Now you see show on all pages. Enable this option. So now this element widget display on whole Wix website. Now click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in page and then you see pin element on screen. So we pin image button. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.